Now we will learn hacking with Python 1. What is a brute force attack? Brute force is also known as exhaustive key search. It is known in cryptography as the process of trying all the possible keys or key spaces rather than decrypting the keys systematically. Every possible combination is tried until the correct matching keys are found. Time taken to search every possible solution increases exponentially with the key's length. To shorten this time, we use dictionaries. Actually, dictionaries are a list of common passwords or keys. However, a brute force attack has limits. With increased cryptography technologies, encryption that is being used today is safe because time or energy, computing power required to crack a key grows exponentially with the key size. Just imagine, it would take 3 multiplied by 10 to power 51 years for a 256-bit key to be cracked on 50 of today's supercomputers. Then the question is, can we brute force using a dictionary? Then the answer is yes. If we compare dictionary brute force attack with the whole key space search, dictionary brute force attack is much faster, but even this is not guaranteed that it would yield successful result. Dictionaries are most commonly used with user passwords because people find it easier to remember names rather than random sequences. If one dictionary does not yield out good result, then we can try another one. There are many good dictionaries available online, like darkcode.lst is a good one. Our next question is, are smaller dictionaries better? Yes, they are better. Before running big dictionaries like Darkcode, it is preferable to run small dictionaries because you want to keep it low for quick completion. With the help of smaller dictionaries, most common passwords and default passwords for certain devices can be quickly guessed. For example, admin, password, welcome, 12345, etc. You will be surprised to know that so many people don't change their default passwords, and that is why these passwords can be cracked easily. What are offline attacks? As crackers have lot of time to crack the password, offline attacks are hard to be prevented because they cannot be detected. To perform an offline attack, one requires both the hashed passwords as well as the hashing system. It can be difficult for one to obtain. Sometimes a hashing system is hard to discover. In this process, each word in the dictionary is hashed, then it is compared with the hashed password. Now we will learn about what are online attacks. First of all, online attacks can be detected and can be prevented. Attempt restrictions and cooldown times between each attempt is usually enough to prevent them. It is easy to detect online attacks. If on a website, thousands of login attempts are done per second, this would slow down the speed of that site and the admin of that website will be alerted. Online attacks have so many limitations, but still they work because so many people are forgetful or they don't think about their security. They don't change their password frequently or share their password with their friends or someone else. What are cracking machines? To crack the keys as soon as possible, you can build a computer that is only dedicated for cracking purpose only. These cracking machines allow faster processing and we can crack keys more faster and more easily. This process of cracking keys proceeds much faster because in this process, GPU's processing power is used that processes multiple keys at a time.